Inspiration is not just a word, but a feelings to achieve something you want. I believe that every human can be an inspiration if she comes out strongly to chase her dream.
Namaste, I am Rita Baraily, contestant number 30 in Miss and Mrs. Beauty Pageant 2022 Season 4, representing Silguri, my city of culture, costume and joy.
I feel blessed to be a part of this pageant, and I thank Ma'am Anudash for giving us this opportunity to come out and live our dreams. And special thanks to my husband who has been supporting me to this point. A woman with her dream knows how to grab it and to give her best to never let it go. Therefore, I am here stepping toward my dream with the belief that I am wonderfully and fearfully made by God. Thank you.